Now our precious Susie girl would like to make a video because she's just as gorgeous as her brother, aren't you? Aren't you? Especially your eyes. You have the most beautiful eyes. You do. You do. You're just the sweetest, most friendly kitty in the whole world. Should we make you talk like Georgie? Here we go. Are you the most beautiful girl? Yes. Are you gonna bite your Mama Ruth? No. Yeah. Mama loves you. Mama loves that girl very, very much. Yeah. You babies are so beautiful in the morning sunshine. Look at all these amazing colors. You are precious girl.